Morning children, Sai Ram. Let us continue with this chapter, that is chapter number 15, triangles and their property. We are doing practice set 36, question number 4. Let us read the question. The length of the sides of some triangles are given below. Say what type of triangles they are. Question number 1, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These are the length of the sides of triangles. They are asking us what type of triangle is it. So here no two sides are equal. All the three sides are different. So therefore the triangle is a scalene triangle. As we had learned in the types of triangle based on sides, when all the three sides are different, that type of a triangle is known as a scalene triangle. Now the second sum is 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter again and 5 centimeter. So your children, two sides are equal, right? So when two sides are equal, which type of triangle is it? Yes, you're right. It is an isosceles triangle. So we had learned in types of triangle that is based on sides. When two sides are equal and one side is different, that type of a triangle is called as an isosceles triangle. The next sum, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. Your children, all the three sides are equal. So therefore the triangle is an equilateral triangle. I hope children you remember this also we had learned in the types of triangle based on sides. When all three sides are equal, that type of a triangle is known as an equilateral triangle. Now question number 4, 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So here again no two sides are equal. All the three sides are different. Therefore this type of a triangle is a scalene triangle. Clear children? I hope you all must have understood. Okay. Now let us see the fifth question. The length of three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Okay. So I had taught you in the last class, when you have to construct a triangle, we have to see that the sum of the length of, yes, the second property which we had learnt. The sum of the length of two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. Yes. So we have to use that property and say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn or not. We have to give reason for the answer. So let us see the first sum. 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So here I have given A, that is the length of the longest side is 17 centimeter. Let us take the longest side as the third side and we'll add the other two sides. Now B, the sum of the length of the other two sides is, which are the other two sides left? 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 7 plus 8, the answer is coming 15 centimeter. But what does the property says? It says the sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. But here as we are adding, we are not getting the sum as greater. We are getting as smaller, right? So we cannot draw a triangle. So a triangle cannot be drawn. So here I have written from B and A, 15 centimeter is smaller than 17 centimeter. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle cannot be drawn. Is it clear children? If it would have been more than 17 centimeter, then we could have drawn a triangle. But here it is less than 17 centimeter, but as the property says it should be greater, so we cannot draw a triangle. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle cannot be drawn. Now let us see the next sum. 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. So here again we are going to take the longest side. Yes, the length of the longest side is 25 centimeter. And let us take the other two sides. The sum of the length of the other two sides, 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter. So how much is 7 plus 24 children? Yes, it is 31. So here I have written as 31 centimeter. So now here the property matches, means the sum of the length of the other two sides of a triangle, it is greater than the third side. So your triangle can be drawn because it is more than 25 centimeter. So 31 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeter from B and A. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle can be drawn. Clear, children? Good. Let us see the next example. 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 16 centimeter. So which is the longest side here, children? Yes, it is 16 centimeter. So small a I have written, the length of the longest side is 16 centimeter. Now let us take the length of the other two sides. We'll sum up. That is the sum of the length of the other two sides. 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter. How much is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 is 15 centimeter. So here 15 centimeter is less than 16 centimeter. So as the property says, we cannot draw a triangle. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle cannot be drawn. Clear, children? Next, fourth sum, 8.4 centimeter, 16.4 centimeter and 4.9 centimeter. So which is the longest side here, children? Yes, it is 16.4 centimeter. And the other two sides we are going to add it. So small a, the length of the longest side is 16 centimeter. Next is B, the sum of the length of the other two sides is 8.4 centimeter plus 4.9 centimeter. You will add it, you will get the answer as 13.3 centimeter. From B and A now, 13.3 centimeter is less than 16.4. It should be greater, then only you can draw a triangle as the property says. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle cannot be drawn. Are you all understanding, children? Okay. Let us see the next example. 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Here we will take the length of the longest side, that is 25 centimeter. Then we will take the sum of the length of the other two sides. Which are the two sides left, children? 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. We are going to add it. So 15 plus 20 is 35 centimeter. So yes, as it is greater than the third side, so a triangle can be drawn here. So from B and A, 35 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeter. So by the property of the length of the sides of a triangle, this triangle can be drawn. Now let us see the last example. 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So which is the longest side here, children? Here it is 16 centimeter. So the length of the longest side is 16 centimeter. The other two sides, children, we are going to add. That is the sum of the length of the other two sides. 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. How much is 12 plus 12? Yes, it is 24. That is 24 centimeter. So it is greater than the third side. So from B and A, 24 centimeter is greater than 16 centimeter. So as the property says, the length of the sides of a triangle, so this triangle can be drawn. I hope you all must have understood this chapter and you are going to practice well at home. Okay, children, take care. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.